Hello, Ooh. Well, welcome to this update. So let's see how the tropics are doing. So we have the remnants of Beryl there still affecting those areas. We have this new area here, a broad trough low pressure located off the southeastern US, currently producing some disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Environmental conditions appear only marginally favorable for some additional development of the system over the next couple of days before it moves inland over the southeastern US by this weekend. It could bring some heavier rain there. So formation chance next 48 hours 10% and 10% the next 7 days. So this is very low. It probably won't form into anything, but you never know. It could do a quick spin up, and the rest of the tropics is quiet for now. So let's see, the Eastern Pacific quiet too, and the Central Pacific too. So let's see what we currently have. So we have lots of moisture and a tropical wave in the southwestern Caribbean there, bringing lots of rain there. Some more rain in Central America, the Western Caribbean. In Mexico there we got a lot of rain too, and then some scattered in parts of the Cayman Islands, Cuba, and with that area in the southeast there. Some rain around the Virgin Islands, near Hispaniola, yeah, and only small tropical waves there. Nothing expected to develop. So let's see what could happen here. So this is the rainfall total in the next 24 hours from the GFS. It shows a lot for Mexico there, lots of areas in Mexico, a lot. For Panama, Costa Rica, more Central America, more. Hispaniola, it's showing some this afternoon too. The south in the waters there near the Bahamas, in Cuba, and some showers or another some more areas. In Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname shows a little bit heavier for southern Venezuela and Suriname there for today, and some other areas. So let's see from the Euro. So in the next 24 hours from the Euro, maybe some showers in the Windward Islands, in Guyana, French Guyana and Suriname, southern Venezuela more, western Colombia and some other areas, Panama, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, some more rain, Mexico there, lots of rain coming for central southern Mexico there, so be aware, mucha lluvia para Mexico. So let's see here, some showers or storms in Hispaniola, near Puerto Rico, near the northern Bahamas and Cuba. So let's see in the next 48 hours. So for the next 2 days, it shows more in the waters near the southeast there, more in Central America, a lot more in parts of Nicaragua, there in Mexico a little bit more, Guatemala, Belize, some more, and some more areas near the Caribbean, those tropical waves, a lot in Western Africa, be aware, and some more areas. So let's see to 90 hours here. So this is until Sunday. So today's Wednesday, this is until Sunday. So it shows more for the Caribbean, for the southeastern Caribbean, Venezuela, the Guyanas, Colombia, a lot more, Mexico, Central America, Nicaragua, especially actually eastern Nicaragua, other areas of Central America, some more, Cuba, a little bit more, the Bahamas, Florida, in the east coast of the US there, Virginia, and Carolina, a lot, and more in Puerto Rico, parts of Hispaniola too, so be aware. And let's see, some spots there in more imminent threat of heavy rain are parts of southern Central America and Mexico there. That there could be more heavy rain in the near future now, and some flash flooding. So Let's see the euro here for Mexico. It shows that blob of rain there. Then it goes inland, brings lots of thunderstorms there, lots of heavy rain, some areas just north of Mexico City, and then dissipates. But the rains continue later. Some tropical rains in the afternoon in many areas. And down there in Central America, it shows more rain and thunderstorms in Nicaragua, Panama, Costa Rica during the rest of this week in those areas. Even Guatemala, some more in Belize too, and some other areas, so be aware. And let's see this different rain accumulation in the next 5 days for Nicaragua there. It shows more, those islands of Colombia, I think, more rain, Costa Rica, Panama, Mexico a lot, those areas of South Central Mexico, around more than 100 millimeters in some areas. Mexico City just around around some 60-50 millimeters there. Further north a little bit heavier, more than 100 millimeters. And let's see here, in Guatemala some spots with more, Belize too in the next 5 days, some showers in the Eastern Caribbean, the Dominican Republic, some more in Cuba, and the northernmost Bahamas there, more rain. So North and South America, Venezuela, be careful too. And let's see here, what else? Some wind gusts. It shows stronger winds in the Central Caribbean there, near the coast of Venezuela too, and the ABC Islands. Lots of a little bit gustier winds might cause some bigger waves there through this week into early next week. And take a look like Friday and Saturday in the Atlantic, some gusty winds through the Leeward Islands too. Might be some bigger waves there through Friday and Saturday. So let's see what else we have here. Some dust. We have a lot of dust, especially in the Atlantic now, which is stopping development and everything. So we already have this blob of dust there. Be aware of air quality and visibility. And let's see, and more dust might come towards the Caribbean later by the weekend too. So be aware. In the Cabo Verde, lots of dust too by the end of this week, and some dust even in Florida, the Bahamas, and some other areas. So be aware. Let's see some other stuff here. So the waves are a little bit bigger in the Central Caribbean there because of the wind, the tropical waves. And then we'll get that gusty wind by Friday and Saturday in the Atlantic, making some bigger waves there in the Atlantic coast and in the Lesser Antilles, and still some big waves there in the Central Caribbean. Yeah, and this is mainly it. So let's see here what else we can get. So let's see here. So this is like the favorable environment here. Now we are unfavorable there, and then we might get favorable again for cyclone activity by the end of July and August there. And let's see here something else. And then there's this other model here, shows the unfavorable environment there, and then it shows very favorable there in the other parts of the Indian Ocean and Pacific. And there in the Arabian Sea, it shows the monsoon could really ramp up in the end of July and something. So we might have even more rainfall activity there, and also helping to enhance the tropical waves moving over Africa. But let's see here. This is kind of the same thing, the unfavorable environment there, and more favorable there now. There's this other model here too. And let's see the current sea surface temperatures in Celsius. The ocean heat content for the Atlantic is there's a lot in the Caribbean there, parts of the Atlantic and the Gulf too, and the Pacific here. It's still less in the Eastern Pacific, but the Western Pacific is very hot with ocean heat content. And yeah, this is it, I think. So let's monitor this disturbance in case it forms into anything, and be aware of the heavy rain on the east coast coming with this and the remnants of Beryl, and we'll keep monitoring for more activity in the near future. But now we are on a little break there.